everyone, I'm gonna show you how to replacing an iPhone battery fast and efficient. Let's go! After power off the phone, let's remove the screen. Pick the right bit to unscrew the bottom screws. If you use an unsuitable bit to unscrew the screw, it may break the pattern in the screw. And no matter what bit you use, you may not be able to unscrew the screw. Well, it's time to separate the screen. A blade and a glue remover are the keys in this part. The slim blade is easy to stick into the gap, and the glue remover helps me clean the waterproof seal. And here it is, the battery. Wait a second. It's swollen. A swollen battery is dangerous. It happens due to gas buildup inside, often caused by aging, overheating, or overcharging. If punctured, it can even catch fire. Always replace it as soon as possible. Be careful when disconnecting the cable. Do you notice this broken cable? It's connected to the speaker. I'll show you how to fix it in the next video. Follow me if you're interested in it. All right, old battery out. Let's get the new one in. After connect the cable, it's better to use a roller to press the new battery. By pressing the battery, it helps the adhesive stick firmly, preventing movement inside the phone. Now it's time to set screen back in place. Cable connecting is always a hard task to me. It's so difficult to connect them they might get loose after being connected. Do you think so? Let the screws back in place. Well done! Now let's snap the screen back on. Powering it on. And there it is, good as new. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more repair tips. See you next time.